What's up, guys? In today's video we are going to be making spaghetti with my youngest son Trance. This is by his request. He requested spaghetti, so we are getting ready to get this spaghetti going. So he wanted to do the noodles, so I told him hold them like that and then break them over the pot, which he couldn't break them, so I ended up having to break the noodles, which was cool. So we got the noodles in there. He's super happy or whatever. And now we're just stirring around the noodles, making sure that they don't stick. And next he's going to put the onions in the pan that we have going there. So I'm helping him to get the onions down in there, and like he's super excited to help out. Like he's such a big help. Okay, so then he's gonna mix the onions around. And I'm helping him mix them around. So then we're gonna go in with the turkey, with the ground turkey. Of course it's getting stuck, but so we got that going. I'm telling him be careful, it's hot over the stove. So he's being extra heavy with the seasoning, but turkey needs like a little bit of seasoning. So I'm just showing him we gotta chop it up, and I don't want him to burn himself. So Mama Do is helping with this part, and he's just telling me basically what he knows about. Look at that turkey. Okay, got the turkey, we got the ground turkey going, then we got the noodles popping off, and he's like feeling super accomplished at this moment. So he's mixing it around, he's helping out. I'm telling him to like push the meat, so he's like upset at me now, but it's time to put the sauce in. So there he goes, pouring it in, trying not to like get it everywhere, which is good. I told him to hold it down. And there he goes. He's getting more confident with his pouring skills. Alright, so jar number 2 with the sauce. So now he's mixing it up. We're mixing it together. And I think spaghetti is his favorite food. If it's not pizza, spaghetti's like number 2 or something like that. I'm not a big spaghetti person, but you know, whatever my kids like, so yeah. So sauce and meat is just about done, so just mixing it around. Mixing around the noodles. Yes, they look like they're done. And we're just going to drain the noodles so that the water, and then put it all together. And what you got? You got spaghetti dinner. So gonna make everybody's plate. That's Trance's plate, of course, because it's put his little Parmesan cheese on the top. Then make Mackenzie's plate. Extra Parmesan on the top. And yeah. How's the spaghetti, Trance?